Look at my fish. Oh my god, dude. He got scared bad. What's up, dude? How you doing? Are you doing good? Dude, I'm sorry if I freaked you out. Dude, he got scared. I know. Do you know what's sad, guys? He's having cancer. No, seriously, he's having cancer. Or I think it's surgery. Yeah, he's a good fishy. He's a good fishy. He's a good fishy. And so is Mr. Tootsie. Hello, Tootsie. Hello, Tootsie Roll. What's up? It's actually my grandma's cat. Do you know what's good? Oh my gosh, I have to do this. Sorry, Tigger, where are you, Tigger? Tigger, 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 Tigger. Where is Tigger? Tigger! You might be in the bathroom. Do, 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 do. Tigger, 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 Tigger. It's another fan. Tigger! Oh, Tigger! Oh, there's Tigger. Tigger! What are you doing? You don't know what you're doing? You don't? Tigger, come on. Come on, Tigger. Yes, Tigger, let's go. Hey, how was your day? Tigger, how was your day? Is it good? Say yes. My cat is smart, isn't he? Huh, you're smart? You're best of the best, aren't you, Tigger? Tigger, you're the best of the best, right? I told you he's smart. Alright. Tigger, you're gonna run away, and then when you know how you're gonna run away, I'm gonna scare you. Ready? Run, Tigger! The fuck, cat? Tigger, you're supposed to run when I freak you out, okay? I'm a predator, okay? Oh my god, Tigger! Oh my god, cat.